a while ago, I almost gave up entirely on trading. I mean, sometimes I'd win, but sometimes I'd lose. And it just felt like every trade was like a coin flip. And this is obviously not sustainable. But then I found this simple combination of indicators that not only revealed things in the market that I'd never noticed before, but it all boosted my confidence and changed my results entirely. Now, in today's video, my aim is to show you exactly these indicators and how they worked for me and keep on working for me, and hopefully you'll be able to use them too and get like some really good results. I'm really excited about this video and I hope you benefit as much as you can from it. Today I'm going to be trading company shares. As you can see, I've already selected a couple of assets above the best payout percentages, best optimal movements as well. And the indicators we're going to be using today is our fractal chaos band with the period of 5, our fractal with the period of 5, and we also have a CCI oscillator. This is going to be a killer combo, and I'm going to try my best to explain each of the trades in detail so that by the end of this video you're going to probably understand how to use this strategy in your trading. Now, as with my other videos, I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame, as you can see, and we're going to start our first trade with $50, which is half of our current balance. So let's look for the first entry point and we'll get into trading, guys.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Perfect. So we have our first position here and I took a sell for this one. Now we're following the trend for this one, and if this candle shows any upward momentum, I might open an additional deal, but so far we're looking so good. Anyways, let's go in to explain exactly what's going on with this trade. So we can see it's a down trade already, which is pretty obvious, and here there was a crossing of the bottom band, as we can see, and that crossing is a very great signal to enter the trade on the continuation of the trend. Now, of course, the CCI oscillator still supported us as it was going towards the oversold zone as well, but it wasn't leaving it. So it was an extra, support for this trade. And we are looking good. Sweet. Our first trade is in the profit, guys. You guys know I like to win on the first trade. It's just what I do, That was a very good trade. Yeah, very good. So you can always open a position at the intersection of the fractal bands following the direction of the trend. Let's look for another asset, guys, and hopefully we'll be able to get another one in.
If you're serious about making money from trading, stop watching and start taking action. Inside my exclusive Telegram channel, I drop high accuracy signals, pro trading tips, and real-time updates to help you win big. Don't trade alone, trade smart with the best. Click the link below and join the winning team now.
Okay, guys, so yes, that was a bit I had to really focus on that one. So we have another trade in, and in case it keeps on going down, we have an additional balance that we're going to enter the trade with. But I think we have a decent entry. We have like a good entry. Overall, we had an update of the fractal and the maximum of the market structure, and this whole area is a strong resistance zone. Now it's a very strong zone, but after we touch the area this time, we can see a new maximum forming over here. If you check the CCI as well, we can see that the price is not yet in the overbought zone, so there's still a chance of it going further high, and we'll have a proper break of the resistance zone before price turns to roll back in. Sweet, guys, so we are in a profit. We had a very decent entry actually. I just see the push happening right now. You can see, right? It's happening right now to form the new maximum. So that's what we have happening right here. Sweet, guys. Sweet. I love the C pushes like that. I wish that happened when my trade was on, just to further prove my point, but it's still fine. Anyways, let's get the next asset and we'll keep on trading, guys. Okay, so this is kind of like a similar one. We can see we're in an uptrend. Let's update our balance in case we lose the first one with enter into the second one. Yeah, so there's an intersection of the bands and we're currently in an uptrend. As you can see, the CCI is also slightly entering into the overbought area, but it hasn't reached the maximum point yet, so we can expect price to push a bit higher before we see any rejection. There was this resistance zone over here, but then we are seeing price gradually coming over to break that zone actually, and we had the intersection of the fractal bands. So what I'm expecting is a break of this zone and a higher maximum to be formed. I think we might have to open an additional trade because the market is a bit late. Let's see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna open an additional trade. Okay, I just opened an additional trade for the maximum balance because yeah, I mean I'm really sure about the logic that the price will push up. We can even see the potential of the candles. These are the big green candles. There is definitely gonna be a big push up, and there's really good volatility on the asset right now as well. Let's see, hopefully we'll get the push in this candle. Yeah, screen sweet. This is it, guys. This is it. I mean, this is it. By the way, if you are new to trading or you're in trading already but you're not seeing decent profits, make sure to check my Telegram link in the description. Free, join, learn about trading, start making money. Okay, start making money. This trade isn't a profit. I mean, when you have a decent strategy and you get a decent entry point, you're gonna be in profit. It's just the way things work. And if you're not in profit, you should check your strategy. So that was it, guys. That was a very I love that trade actually. I love the push we saw. I mean, it's a similar logic to the previous trade that we took, and I hope you're really understanding. If you have any questions, guys, write in the comments, write me on Telegram. I'll try to help as much as possible. Yeah, let's get the next trade in. We just want to solidify our results for today, guys. Get a couple of more trades in depending on how market is going. Let's see. Okay guys, so I see a very decent entry here, a decent opportunity, and I took it. So I mean, it's not the best entry point, I'm not gonna lie, but it's also a similar movement to the previous trades. We're in an uptrend. As we can see, we had an update of the structural minimum, which is indicated by the fractal, and now the price punched the top of the band. We have a slight intersection, guys. Just like other trades, after the intersection we can expect price to push further higher. Now the CCI oscillator hasn't really pushed into the overbought area, which is like giving us further confirmation that we can still get a push upward. Okay, and which is what's happening right now. Actually, you know, we're getting the push upward right now, guys. So this is a really decent trade. Sweet. I am liking today's results. Like, today's results are really good. Okay guys, that was a really confident exit. I'm really happy with the results for today. Let me just open for the maximum balance today. I don't do this every day, guys, but one time a week or one time a month, I tend to go crazy like this and see what kind of profit we can make from today. So I'm gonna go ahead with the maximum balance still, and I'm gonna look for a very good entry. Okay, I'm gonna look for like an A+ setup. Let's see if we can get that in. Okay guys, so here I opened actually against the trend, but this is also a very decent move that's happening right now. Let's go into really what's going on. Let me see if I can break that down for you guys. So we had an intersection of the upper band, but in the opposite direction now, and this is after it created a new maximum, a new high. Now we can see also that the price it's gradually exiting the overbought zone, and so definitely price is going down. Like it's leaving the overbought zone, guys. The CCI is leaving the overbought zone. We also have a break in inside the fractal bands back. We should be getting a decent push downward, guys. Maybe we didn't have the best entry points. That's the only flaw of this trade, but still, because of the volatility and the momentum, I think we're still good. Sweet, guys. Oh my god, today's profit is crazy. Today's profit is crazy. I wasn't expecting this, guys. I don't do this all the time, but I mean, this is a decent trade. Yeah, if we entered earlier, we'd have had a more confident trade, but still, like the strategy was decent. You know, the strategy was decent. So you can enter for the trend, you can also enter against the trend. You just need to know how to properly analyze the indicators, guys. That's what you're really focusing on. I think we're done for today. I'm not going to take more trades. Let's go and lock in our profits. I'm going to go ahead to withdraw. Okay, guys, we got it. So we have a total of $876. I mean, that's something. It's okay for today. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to just take that home. Okay, guys, and that is all. Our withdrawal request has been sent. We're going to get our money very, very soon. But that is the strategy, guys. Like, this is it. This is the holy grail. I didn't gatekeep. So make sure to like, subscribe if you like content like this. I post every week. I'm posting songs for you guys every week. So make sure to like, subscribe. And if you have any issues at all, you have any questions, hit me up on Telegram. I'm really open to help you out start your trading journey as soon as possible. I'm your guy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.